Another tip for engaged couples: take a blank sheet of paper and stick it on your refrigerator. And then every time that you think of something that you need, write it on the paper. So when you are cursing your fitted sheets because the elastic is all messed up and it's not working so good anymore, add fitted sheets to your list. When you're knocking your spices over in your cupboard, add an organizer to your list. As you think of things that you need, write it on the list. This is going to become your wedding registry. So it's so much easier to do this in the course of life, to come up with things that you need, than to try to go to like Bed Bath & Beyond and do it all at one time. You start adding things that you don't need or you're never going to use. Like, why add a salad spinner if you don't even like salad? So add things to the list as you need it. Then about 2 months before your wedding shower, you can, start looking for the best possible version of that thing that you need.